What's up, YouTube? If you're here to learn how to use API Connector, you have come to the right place. What is API Connector? You can get a copy of it in the description below, and it's a tool that allows you to connect to any API and pull that data directly into Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll start by clicking on Add-ons. We'll go to API Connector, and we'll open API Connector here in the sidebar. Next, what we'll want to do is go and grab our API. We can scroll down here to all, and let's just get data on all of the countries in Europe. We can copy this and click Add New, and then paste that API in the API URL path. We don't need any headers, as this isn't required in the documentation. We don't need any authentication. And we can just set our destination sheet as the current sheet or sheet 1 and then say get Europe data. We'll click save and then hit run. And momentarily we should see our Google Sheet populate with data from this API. Congratulations, you've now connected to an API. And if you're interested to learn more about how to connect to different APIs, stay tuned on our YouTube channel or take a look at this video up here for a more detailed deep dive into connecting to APIs.